how to create a WordPress website for absolutely free. Hi guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a WordPress website for absolutely free and you won't even have to pay a single cent. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Firstly, come on to pantheon.io. Now guys, this website is going to be the platform that is going to let you design a WordPress website for absolutely free. So now click on start for absolutely free over here and then wait for a couple of seconds and the registration page is gonna come up. Once their registration page comes up, from over here, put in your first name, last name, and everything else that they're asking you about, like your password and stuff, and then simply sign up or simply connect with Google if you want to go the fast route. Once you do that, I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second. So once you sign up, after that, click on create a new website. Now once you do that, wait for a couple of seconds and then this dashboard is gonna come up. So from over here, you have to specify what your website is about. So what you can either do is that you can simply put in your site name. So I'm gonna type in Smallwood. So right now the URL that I'm gonna get is gonna be smallwood.pantheonsite.io. But if you want a URL like a www.smallwood.com or whatever your name is, well then you will have to pay $2 or $3. But guys, honestly that is not needed. As long as you have a website, you can just share the URL and people can simply come straight to your link. So that is not going to be a problem whatsoever. So now what I want you to do is choose the country, click on continue, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds and then this is going to create the website for you. So from over here, simply choose one of these 4 CMSs. I'm going to choose WordPress, click on deploy, and then that is going to deploy WordPress for you guys. So just wait for a couple of seconds while this is deploying your WordPress CMS. So now click on visit your Pantheon site dashboard. Now wait for a couple of seconds and then your dashboard is gonna load up. So from over here, you basically have your main dashboard. So now what I want you to do is click on visit development site. So once you click there, that is gonna take you over to another page and that is gonna open up your WordPress menu. So from over here, you have to choose your site title, your username, your password, your email address, and once you choose these things, your WordPress page is gonna be created. So now you will see this dashboard in front of you. So this is basically your WordPress dashboard. From over here, you can modify a lot of different things and you can basically keep track of every single website that you have in your WordPress account. So now what I want you to do is click on a plugin from the left side, click on that button, wait for a couple of seconds, and then once this loads up, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply install a new plugin. So click on add new, then wait for a few seconds. Now usually what I like to do is that I like to click on the search bar and I type in Astra. So once I type in Astra and hit enter, I can see all these plugins come up. What I want you to do is click on the first one, click on install now, wait for a couple of seconds, and then this is going to be installed. Simply go back to your installed plugins and then from over here, simply take a look at starter templates or this one. So click on activate. Now this plugin is going to be activated. So from over here, now click on install Elementor, wait for a couple of seconds, and then Elementor is going to be installed onto your WordPress account. So now from over here, click on activate plugin, and then after that, just wait for a few more seconds and then you will be good to go. So once that plugin has been activated, you will see this dashboard in front of you, and over here you will see a lot of templates from them. So from over here, now click on add new, and then after that simply choose how you want to basically create your design. I'm a WordPress beginner, and then for myself, click on next, and then simply put in your first name, your last name, and then simply your work email address. After that, click on submit, and now you will basically get a lot of templates. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to just simply go to the plugins panel once again. Now once you go to the plugins panel, I want you to click on add a new from the top once again, and then I want you to type in the search bar starter. Now once you type in starter, press enter, and then after that you will see these templates come up. So now from over here, click install the starter templates. Now once you install the starter templates, now from the left side, click on appearance, and then after that click on starter templates. Now once you do that, you will see the page builder. So from over here, choose Elementor, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds, and then from over here simply install all your templates over here. So from over here, you can essentially choose from hundreds and hundreds of these templates for your personal use. Like honestly, like you can pick any one of these templates and you can design a website from that. So how it works is that you have all these templates that are ready made and that you can use for your own, and then simply set up your own website like that. So like over here, what you have to do now is simply pick a template which you think resonates with your style the most. So I'm gonna simply take a look at all of these and I am going to pick one that I think looks really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pick this one because I really like this one. So I'm gonna click over here, and then now what I can do is that I can simply click on get access, and then WordPress is telling me that this is a premium template. So basically like I'll have to pay some money for that. So I'm simply gonna come back and I'm going to find a template that is free. So like all the free templates will not have premium written at the top right. So like now I can pick this one. So I'm gonna choose this one and I can simply like start using this template. So now what I want you to do is click on import complete site from the bottom, and then from over here simply choose these basic questions. So I'm gonna choose this, click on next once again, put in your first name, put in your email address, and click on submit and start importing. So now click on skip, and now your website is going to be imported. So once that is done, you can essentially start modifying the website and start making it your own. So once that loads up, and now you can essentially modify it completely and you can add whatever you want. Click on edit page at the top, and then that is going to let you basically edit this yourself and add whatever image you want to add, and add basically everything according to your choice. So from over here, now you can essentially modify whatever you want. So you can just simply change the text from over here as well. Like for example, if I were to like choose the text, I can type in over here my fitness routine, and then I can simply like leave it like that, and then it's gonna stay. Now over here up top, similarly I can change this text as well by simply like clicking and changing that text. So like I can type in the best trainer. So like honestly guys, this is really easy, and I honestly would not want to do anything else. So now from over here, you can choose from the plans, from the free shipping, from the 100% money back guarantee as well. After that, you even have the beautiful plant varieties and the trendy cactus varieties. So after that, now scroll down, and then from over here you can like basically add your own products. So from over here, now you have these 3 products. What you can do is that you can like essentially just change the text or change the images as well. So when you click on over here from the left side, click on choose image. Now over here in the images section, click on select files, and then you can simply upload an image yourself from your computer over here on this particular website. So I'm gonna upload this one, and then after that I'm gonna wait for a couple of seconds, and then this picture is gonna be uploaded and I can simply view it on my website. And then similarly I can add any more information like the name, the description, anything else, the links or anything like that over here on this particular website. So guys, this is almost done, just a couple more seconds and then we will be able to view it. So now simply choose the image that you downloaded, and then after that click on insert media from the bottom right. Now you will see your image over here. Yeah, so like now you have your image, and like you can even change the text over here too. You can like type in Rome over here. You can type in something else, like for example the best place in Rome. Like honestly, like you can modify it completely and this will look completely original. Similarly, scrolling up, now the picture over here, the big picture, you can even change this image as well to like something more presentable or something that you want to like change yourself. Now you can even change the icons, and scrolling down, and now you can even like move the whole fields anywhere else. Like for example, this was over here right now. What I can do is that I can simply like move this over to any other place. Like for example, I can just simply hold it and I can just simply like scroll up, and then I can simply drag it over here and leave it, and now this is up top instead of below this particular page. So like now from over here I can even add like more content, like more testimonials and stuff, and then similarly I can add my social links too. So guys, like honestly, it is a super simple like designing a website with this particular tool called WordPress, and honestly everybody is doing it nowadays, so why not you? Now let's say you want to change these links. Simply choose these links, and then from over here you can like make it a heading, make it an intersection, make a pro post, make anything that you want, like general stuff and all. So like honestly, this is super easy, and I would hate it if you guys did not take full advantage of this. So guys, this is how you can essentially like get started with WordPress right away. And then once you have completed your website, what you can do is that you can simply click on the bottom left where it says preview changes, and then you will be able to see a preview of the website that you just created. So basically before you share it, you can like view it, and then you can share it with more people so that they can view it as well. So guys, there you go. Now if you want like domains and stuff, well, we have more videos on that, but for now this is going to cover everything up that you need to like actually get started with this particular method. So here is a preview of the website, and I can view it from the top till the very end, and everything looks alright to me. And now this website is ready to be published, and I can just simply use it for the rest of my life if I wanted to. So guys, it is that easy to work with WordPress, and honestly I don't know why most people are not doing it. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.